What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today I don't have much time, so I'm gonna try to be quick, but I'm gonna show you a few tips about how to layer this type of sounds and make it a little bit more interesting. So let's check it out. This was the original idea, but I'm gonna show you a couple of ways to make it thicker and maybe more interesting. So first thing I'm gonna do is just turn off the effects. We're not gonna need that, and bounce it. Bam. Perfect. Now the second one, I'm gonna spread the distortion, and I'm gonna add some more distortion and also a tiny bit of stereo turbo. I guess it's just a stereo spread, but anyway, laser 2. Okay, because it's the same sound twice, I'm just gonna drop 3 dBs just to keep a relative volume. Much better. The first one solo, the second one, the two of them combined. I'm gonna bounce it again. Yes, so now we can see what we're doing, what we're dealing with. Chop, 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 because I'm gonna listen for the best ones. Yeah. I'm going really fast. Usually I spend the whole day just listening to these sounds, which is insane, I know, but I do. That's just the way it is. Wow, that was fast. Let's try a few more. Just for the sake of the video, I didn't like that one. Not bad. This one is pretty good. You get the idea. I'm just gonna throw here the effects, make it long, maybe even longer. When you do it like this, you get a much more wider sound, yet mono compatible, you know, because you have the mono-ish sound and then this stereo spread sound, so you don't get. If I only use, I think it was this one, right? It's very low in volume, very low, almost lost, you know. The other one is clearer, and even though it's really mono. So yeah, that's it. This is it for today. You can apply different effects, try phaser and things like that, and keep on layering and keep on experimenting, because of course you're gonna get very different results. Try always to make a duplicate. One is truly stereo, you know, and the other one is mono compatible. So when you mix them together, you get very similar result, but this sounds good in mono and stereo, you know. Of course, it's a little bit more interesting, but it's the same sound. you get the point, right? Anyways, this is it for today. I hope you like it, and I hope to see you next week. Ciao.